welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making mozzarella sticks. They are crispy breadcrumb coated cheese sticks with melted cheese in the middle. So for our ingredients, we have our string cheese, we have panko breadcrumbs, we have some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, egg, buttermilk, all-purpose flour, of course, oil for frying, and we have some marinara on the side. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add our breadcrumbs to a dish, and we're going to add in our garlic powder, our Italian seasoning, and we're going to mix that up, and we're going to set that bowl to the side. We're going to add our flour to the dish, and we're going to set that dish aside. Next, we're moving on to the buttermilk mixture. So we're going to add our buttermilk, some salt, and pepper. And then we're going to add our egg. And we're just going to mix our egg and our buttermilk mixture up really well. And we're going to set that aside. Now we're just prepping our area so that we can start coating our mozzarella sticks. So the first thing you want to do, you can either add your mozzarella sticks in your flour and then coat with your buttermilk mixture, or you could just start off with your buttermilk mixture, which I am starting off with that. So I'm going to add my mozzarella sticks to my buttermilk mixture. Then I'm going to add it into the flour, and then I'm going to put it back into my buttermilk mixture, and then I'm going to cover it with my panko bread crumbs. You want to make sure you press some breadcrumbs into your cheese gently. Okay, and I'm just going to continue this step until all my mozzarella sticks are finished. We're going to move on. Once you have finished coating your mozzarella sticks, you want to place them on a sheet pan, and you want to place it in the freezer anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. So here's our mozzarella sticks fresh out the freezer. Just showing you how they look. They look better than the store-bought, don't they? So now what you want to do, you want to add at least 3 inches of oil in a heavy skillet, and you want to heat it up to 350 degrees. Now we're going to add our mozzarella sticks to our hot oil. You want to do this in batches. We're going to fry our mozzarella sticks until they are golden on all sides. That takes anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. You want to turn them frequently. I did, and I had a basket so I could shake them around and turn them on their side. It just made it more easier for me. Now we're going to remove them from the oil. You want to drain them on a plate that's lined with a paper towel, and you want to serve immediately with your dipping sauce. So here's our mozzarella sticks fresh out the grease. These were some yummy mozzarella sticks. If you haven't tried making your own mozzarella sticks, try it. Let me know how they turned out, and look at that cheese pull. And today we made mozzarella sticks. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats.